Introducing the Tohnichi 7000DOT torque tester, a robust and reliable tool designed to measure torque values with utmost precision. Engineered by Tohnichi, a leading brand in the assembly industry, this torque tester offers exceptional performance and versatility for various applications. With a wide torque range of 700 to 7,000 kgfcm, the Tohnichi 7000 torque tester is suitable for testing a diverse range of tools and components. The easy-to-read analog dial face, with a diameter of 140 mm, provides clear and accurate torque readings. The tester incorporates a mechanical loading device that enables smooth and precise torque application, ensuring consistent and reliable measurements. Designed to be set horizontally, the Tohnichi 7000 torque tester eliminates the need for weight correction, simplifying the calibration process. Whether you're in the automotive, manufacturing, or aerospace industry, the Tohnichi 7000 torque tester is an indispensable tool for quality control and maintenance professionals. Invest in precision and reliability with the Tohnichi 7000 torque tester.